Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about earn crypto for free on your phone. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So get free crypto on your phone. No mining involved and risk-free. Getting to know the Pi network. The Pi network is a network that was made by 3 PhDs from Stanford. More than 30 million people from all over the world use the Pi network. As soon as possible, start mining. The rate of mining keeps going down faster and faster. When I started using their app 4 months ago, the least I could mine in an hour was 0.2 Pi coins. It has gone down to 0.05 Pi coins per hour since March 1st. Basically, if you want to mine faster, you need to invite more people. You are making money off of your real life network. Soon, the Pi mainnet will be ready, so you will be able to trade your Pi coins on sites like Binance and Coinbase. How to make money? 1. Get to the app from their official website. Go there to download. The Pi app is available on both Android and iOS devices. Soon, you will also be able to earn Pi on your computer. I've never seen a coin like Pi that gives out coins evenly and builds its project the way it was supposed to. Pi has the most cryptocurrency users in the world. Once the open mainnet is up and running, the value of the Pi network will keep going up. So how does it work? Well, I have to say that this is still a work in progress, but it has an amazing community of more than 30 million people around the world. And every 24 hours, you have to open the app and click a button to start mining again. Some people think the Pi coin is worth about $1 to start, but no one knows for sure. But it's almost like free money. So why don't you just do it? Because there's no risk. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.